Hi guys, this is 2013 Toyota Prius V. So this car had a problem is the 40 speed getting engine rattle and the vibration and the 40 speed. So we're going to replace for this EGR valve. So located in here, you can see it's under this cover. Okay, so is the EGR. This is EGR cooler in here. So we're going to replace for this EGR valve, the complete unit. Here's the part number for the EGR valve. This is the EGR. Okay, this is the genuine Toyota. So we off the EGR connector. Two 10mm bolt in here. So I'm going to off this stud. So this is a E8. So we off this two bolt and the side did the stud going here, this one. So then we have to go in the back side the two 12mm bolt in here, this side, one here and one here. That's the hard bolt, the hard part. So I'm going to off this 12mm bolt for the EGR cooler. Okay guys, it's another bolt in the bottom. You can see that in here the 12mm extension, I put it in here. They have another 12mm bolt underneath. You have to off this nut. Okay, here's another 12 mil. You can wiggle this EGR cooler. So now you can space in here, put the 12 mil spanner on it. Okay, going to off this 12 mil bolt in the back. You can push this way, easy to access. So one 12 mil bolt, another one in here. The second 12 mil bolt. So we're going to off this little pipe. We'll see to get out that the EGR valve. It's unblocked completely. Okay guys, you can see the EGR valve is completely blocked, so it doesn't work anymore. And you can see in here all the blockage, and you can see the EGR cooler inside. So completely blocked. So we're going to off the cooler. Okay, take out the cooler. So I'm going to clean this one inside. Okay guys, we're going to install the EGR cooler. Some gasket in here. I'm going to put the back bolts. Okay guys, we're going to install the water hose. Okay guys, we're going to install the new EGR valve. Okay guys, we tied for this 12 mm bolt of the back EGR valve. We have to put back for the stud. Okay, we got another 12 mm bolts underneath in here before we remove that. It's very hard part. Okay guys, we're going to install this pipe and the gasket. Okay guys, finally we installed the EGR valve. Then after we have to start the car, then have a look. we start the car is running fine. So this is then the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.